Welcome to Newton Reigny. Behind me I've got a beautiful 4-bedroom semi-detached home which is absolutely beautiful. Now this home has been extended over the years to create some significant living spaces. We've got 4 double bedrooms, we've got 3 reception rooms, a beautiful dining kitchen, a utility room. We've got a lovely garden to the rear which has got fantastic views across the open countryside, and we've got some further options for you. If you're looking for a home where you can put your own stamp on, we've got a detached garage which, subject to the relevant planning consents, could be maybe a home office, ancillary accommodation, or simply used as a garage space. But we've also got ample parking, as you can see just behind me here, with terraces to the front and to the rear. Now this home has been beautifully renovated and redecorated by the current owners, and the spaces are stunning. So let me spin the camera around, show you this street scene, show you and tell you a little bit more about the village, then we'll go inside this fantastic home. So this is a property we're here to see today. It's a semi-detached property, but you'll see when we go inside that the neighbouring property neither impact each other, and it feels like you're very much a detached property. But it sits just at the edge of the village here, and if we head around in this direction, the road into the heart of the village is just in this direction. That takes you down to the road which takes you up to Newton Rig, towards Greystoke to PENRITH in just a few minutes, and down towards the popular village green, where you've got a church and you've got a really locally renowned pub as well. So great village, fantastic village community. Now the home itself, as you can see here, has been extended over the years to create some brilliant spaces, ideal for a family or for those looking for some flexible use spaces. Right at the outset, we've got ample parking for a number of vehicles here. It's really great to find a property that's got such great parking, and we've got a lovely terrace to the front of the property. We're going to go through the gates at the back at the end of the video to show you the outside space, but before we go into the house, let me just show you this terrace to the front, which is beautifully paved. We've got a nice raised bed here, and we've got a little sun trap where you can enjoy the afternoon sun or your morning coffee here, with access into the dining room through those French doors. So really nice and private space that sits just to the front of the property. So let's go inside and have a look at this home. So as we come in the front door, you'll see we've got some light filled spaces, and it's beautifully presented. We've got a really spacious entrance hallway which leads down the hallway through this lovely tiled area into a dining room, which is accessed through these glazed doors. So this room's got dual aspect. We look out to the front and to the side over that terrace we've just seen. This is a great proportioned room. You've got a super dining room, but these spaces in this home are so flexible, they could be used for a variety of uses. So that's one of a number of reception rooms. Then as we come down the hallway, we've got the staircase which takes us to the first floor, and we come round the bend before we go into the lounge and into the kitchen. It's also worth pointing that we've got a really spacious understairs cupboard here, so if you wanted space for coat hanging, you can see the electricity consumer unit in there. You've got no shortage of storage in this home. Now before we go into the lounge, this is a dining kitchen. Now this, as you can see, is beautifully presented. It's immaculate, it's ready to move into. It's got again, you've got nice light filled space. We've got these wonderful window shutters here. We've got space for appliances, a big range cooker space there, space for a dining table, and behind this door over here we've also got a pantry unit as well. So you've got all the space you could want in a kitchen in here. But this extends nicely through to what is so important when you live in the countryside, a utility room or boot room. From here you go out to the side, so perfect to fetch dogs, wellies, boots, coats in. You've got lots of flexible space in here, and I'm going to open this up. We don't open cupboards up very often, but this one's a really great space. It's got so much space in here to shut everything away. It's really deep. It's probably a double width cupboard, that one. And you've got a downstairs loo here as well. So what I haven't shown you is a couple of reception rooms, and to get to those we're just going to go back through the kitchen and back into the hallway. So perfect for a family. If you're looking for breakout space, you can all have different areas of the house at different times. This home would be ideal. You've got a really beautiful lounge here which sits with the lovely wooden effect flooring. You've got a wood burning stove there which has been recently fitted, and you've got these really large windows overlooking that terrace to the front, and also French doors taking us into a third reception room. But before I do, let me just spin the camera around to show you the extent to this room. It really is a super proportionate room. So then keeping going, we've got French doors, as I've just said, into a room which has been used as a sunroom or a home office. Again, flexible use. This could be a music room, a children's snug, a playroom. And you've got French doors here out to the rear. Now, this is your first glimpse of the outside space. So I'm going to come back here in a few minutes, but just to give you a bit of a glimpse, we've got a lovely decked area there, some low maintenance lawn. And you've got some raised beds as well. So we're going to come out here in a few minutes, but that's just to give you a bit of a teaser. So coming back to the house, we've got, as you can see, a super third reception room space. So ideally, if you're looking for a home that is close to transport links, it's close to town centre amenities, we're not far away from the Lake District National Park, even the Solway coast isn't too far away, but you can be anywhere within a short distance and a short amount of time, but you can just live here with these spaces that are all absolutely user friendly and so flexible. So you'll see that more when we come upstairs. On the landing, we've got light streaming in from every window, and we've also got the benefit of this light tunnel which sits upstairs as well. And from here we've got 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So the master bedroom is this one here, which is a great size room. In here we've got a walk-in wardrobe. I'm going to open it up again. Like I said, I don't often go in cupboards, but I think these ones are ideal. This one's got a light, it's got fitted wardrobes, it's got a mirror there, which is a great benefit. And you've got an ensuite shower room in here. So this is a great master bedroom with the ensuite and the walk-in wardrobe. Then as we come across into the landing, we've got another bedroom. Now this one's currently used as a bit of an office space. This is another small double room. Again, you're perfectly fine to fit a double bed in here, but you could equally use this as the reception room space or a craft room, and this gives you a glimpse down to that terrace to the front. Then coming round, we've got another bedroom. This again is a double room. It does just have a single bed in here, but it is big enough to be a double. It's got a set of fitted wardrobes, and this room in particular has lovely views across the rooftop, across a little pony paddock there that you can see in front, over to the fell. So really nice open outlook in this room in particular. And then a storage cupboard, a large airing cupboard, and bedroom number 4. Now again, this is a really good size, so this could probably compete with the master bedroom in terms of size. Flexible use, perfect for children, or maybe if there's an elderly relative staying here. Tons of options. And this one has also got another set of fitted double wardrobes. Again, really good proportions. And this one also looks out down towards the garden, across that paddock there, which is owned by a neighbour, and across to the fells. And then finally, we've got a beautiful, really stylish bathroom suite with a bath with shower over, a corner loo, and a really modern hand basin with an illuminated mirror. So this is a really stylish bathroom which complements the rest of the home, and as you can see throughout this home, it's completely ready to move into. So the spaces are great, the location's brilliant, the village is highly desirable. You've got an area here where you can literally walk out of the door, you can enjoy the walks that are around, but you can also walk to the local pub. There's a great community within Newton Reigny, and this is a super property. Now just to double back again, coming back into the living room, I'm now going to take you and show you that outside space, because it's important to show you just how big it is, how low maintenance it is, but also just to show you the potential that the garage has as well. So coming out through these French doors, you can see we've got some raised beds there. We've got a nice area of decking. We've got the gas canisters for the cooker. The rest of the central heating is via oil. So this is a really good size garden space. And if I step back over here, this shows you the rear of the property. And you can see it's so private and so peaceful. Then we come into another area which you couldn't quite see before, which is behind the gate. So again, there's more space here for parking. You've got a wood store. This is a perfect utility space. But should you want to maybe do something with this garage space has got the potential, subject to the relevant planning consents, to maybe be a studio, ancillary accommodation. There's lots of opportunities here, or perhaps you just want a workshop or a storage space. This will be perfect, but you have got electricity out here, so it would be very, very easy to do something different if you wanted to. Obviously everything's subject to the relevant planning consents, but it depends on your own family needs. So as we've gone around this home, you've seen some fantastic proportions and some ready to move into space. This home is immaculate, and the spaces can work on a various number of levels with lots of different flexible options. The village itself is highly desirable, and a home that has got ample parking, a number of reception rooms, a number of bedrooms. This ticks many boxes if you're looking for a home that perhaps is a family home, or maybe you're just wanting to have a nice retreat and have a space where you can have craft rooms and music rooms. There's so many options here, it's endless. If you'd like more information on this wonderful home in Newton Reigny, then please do give us a call on 01768 881111, and we'd love to give you some more information.